Want to turn your boring PDF into a shareable online link in just a second. Then don't blank because in this video I will show you the fastest and easiest way to host your PDF online for free. No coding, no hassle, just magic. So this is a tiny host. This link I will attach in my video description. When you click this link, you are redirected to this website. You need to log in here with your Gmail. So I'm trying to log in with my Google. Then one link is totally free, so I need to upload a PDF from my computer. So I'm trying to upload this PDF. Then now I need to write my own name. This is my title. Now click on publish. Now click on continue. Then again just copy link. This one link, this website allow for totally free. Now you can share this link with anyone. I'm going to another web page. Then click on enter. Then you can see it's already opened.